This is Tyson from Techie Tyson. Today we're going to discuss how to start a new presentation quickly with Shortcut. So now I know all these PowerPoint shortcuts, I thought I'd try it in real life. Gotta open it. So if I open the car, hop inside, Control N, that should get me a new car, right? So it doesn't work here, but it does in PowerPoint, and let me show you how.
So you're in PowerPoint and you've got a sudden idea. You should press Control N to start a new presentation. Just like that. No clicking around and business, just straight in to a new presentation. Then if you press Control A, you select all the information on the screen and press Delete. It's gone. But it also works if you've got multiple slides. Say you want to select all the slides on the side there. If you select one of them and then press Control A, you'll select all the sides. And that's really useful for putting transitions in. You have a push transition on all of them. And if you want another new slide, just hold Control and press M. New slide.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you like more PowerPoint education, please check out my other videos.